Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this Aigo Ice400se cooler. It's a 4 pipe heat pipe cooler. Here you see the specifications. It runs from 5 volt to 12 volt. So I picked it up really cheap. So we are going to see what is into it. Voila. No. This is a manual. Voila. This is inside of it. That's a holder. And we'll go to get it out. Voila. This is the box. Voila. There you have the mounting things, and this is the cooler itself, as you can see it. It is 4 heat pipes. It does 160 watts TDP. This is the connector, so it looks very nice. And then you have the holder. So the holder you can put onto this, and then you put the pins inside of it. But because this system is not, how you say it, the pins, it is not bad, but there is a better system, so I bought a better system for it. So yeah, we are going to mount that in an instant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away nice prizes to subscribers of our channel. You only have to subscribe, and when you win something you will get notified, so please subscribe to our channel. You can win laptops, Bluetooth stuff, all kind of computer stuff, all kind of nice things. So you only have to hit the subscribe button, so please do so. And then also please check out my other videos, because we are going to install this cooler. And also like the video if you like it, so we can send you more videos from it. Bye bye.